Hello students, welcome to my channel Chemistry Setu. Today we are going to discuss relationships between different concentration terms. We will not discuss the derivation of these relationships because only the final result is going to be used in objective questions. So let's get started. The first relationship is between molarity and molality. This is the final result of relationship between molarity and molality. Here small m is the molality, D is the density of the solution in gram per milliliter, capital M is the molarity of the solution, and Mb is the molecular mass of the solute. The second relationship is between molarity and normality. As we have studied in last lecture, that the product of molarity and molecular mass of the solute defines the strength of the solution, same as normality and equivalent mass of the solute defines the strength of the solution. Hence, if both the product are equal to the strength of the solution, hence they will be equal to each other. Molarity into molecular mass equals to normality into equivalent mass. This will give us the final result. As we know that equivalent mass is equals to molecular mass divided by valency factor. Normality equals to molarity into valency factor. Valency factor is also known as N factor. Hence normality divided by molarity gives N factor. This is the relationship between normality and molarity. Third relationship is between molarity and mole fraction. This is the final result. V1 plus V2 plus V3 is going to be the resulting volume after mixing. Similarly, we can calculate the resulting normality of the solution. N2V2 are the normality and volume of solution B. N3V3 are the normality and the volume of solution C. Next relationship we are going to discuss is molarity and normality of the dilution. We have added some extra volume Vx into the solution, hence the solution will be diluted and the final volume will be equals to V2. Hence the molarity of the dilution will be equals to M1V1 equals to M2V2. M2 is the final molarity of the solution after dilution. V2 is the final volume. V2 is the final volume which is equals to V1 plus X. Vx is the extra amount of solvent that we have added into the solution. Similarly, normality of the solution can be obtained. Thanks for watching. For any doubt, please comment. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon.